what is difference between counseling and therapies? Why people refer counseling separately and therapies separately? Why they cannot be termed as only single thing, like going to a doctor and doctor treating all the things under the same umbrella? Why counseling is separate and therapy is separate? Let me tell you. As I told you already, counseling is a talking therapy. If you go to some previous videos, you will understand what counseling is, who needs counseling, who should approach a counselor. So all those basic questions have been answered. Today, let us see what is the difference between counseling and therapy, right? Ready? So when you get a therapy, a client who is getting a therapy is better than 79% of clients who did not go for therapy, who went only for counseling. This is what Dr. Roberts says. See, he's from Harvard University, and he had declared that many clients who get therapy, they do much better as compared to clients who go only for counseling. Well, there is a basic reason behind it. The approach of counseling is to learn to cope up with the existing emotions that you're going through. So the emotions remain there, you just learn to cope up with it. Like you must be watching many videos, or you must be hearing here and there where people advise a lot. If you're feeling sad, then go for a walk. If you're feeling sad, then talk to your loved ones or dance on some song. So external motivation is included. External strategies are involved somewhere. And then little bit of introspection is involved through written assignments. That is where counseling takes place, where you actually learn how to cope up with the emotions that you're going through. But then what does therapy does? Isn't therapy doing the same thing? Well, therapy does give you an insight into your own well-being. It does give you an insight. It gives you a proper perspective. Counseling will help you to cope up with the emotions. The emotion will still be there. Guilt, hurt, sadness, everything will be there. You will just know how to live with it and not look at it. Look at the brighter side of the life. That is what counseling will help you. When it comes to therapies, you know, uh, the more I say, it is less I will say. The benefits of therapies are immense, immense. It is very effective in helping with various challenges most of us face, like relationship challenges, depression, anxiety, stress. Therapies help us be resilient, coping mechanisms, and it empowers us from within. Empathy, perspective, challenging of negative thought patterns are some of the core fundamentals of counseling and therapy, where empathy is used overall. Also, a right perspective is given to the client. If the client is looking only from his angle, he's looking from only a victimhood, a therapy gives him a 360-degree approach towards the situation in his life that he has been looking, and then he comes out of the victimhood immediately. Breakups, marital issues. There are many relationship concerns in marriage. There are childhood experiences. There is a lot of loneliness. And then there is work-life balance also. There is a lot of stress when it comes to work-life balance. There are, and everything results into, stress, low self-confidence. And most of the time it also results into anxiety and even depression. Some of the clients terminate the therapy in between, considering that they feel the overwhelm of pain. However, just like when you go to a physiotherapist, and while visiting the physiotherapist, you are going through certain uh, therapies on your body, and it is going to pain initially, yes or no? When you're going to physiotherapist, you're moving your leg. Initially, there is a pain in leg, and still you are asked to move your leg. Now, while moving your leg, also it is paining. Will you stop going to physiotherapist just because your leg is paining? No. You know that in initial therapies, your leg will pain a bit, and then eventually it will mild down, and then it will go away forever. Same happens with this psychotherapies also. There is a pain in your heart. You feel the pain in your gut. You can feel the pain in your heart. You can feel pain in your lower back, upper back. Sometimes people go through migraines. There are various pains that people go through. And when we, as a therapist, We work on different releasing of their pains at the emotional level, at the mental level, and they experience severe pain initially in beginning 2 sessions, and they feel the head is heavy, and they feel like, no, I don't want to go back to the therapy. Somehow when I come back, I feel my head is heavy, and that's how they refrain and they stop the therapy. However, one needs to understand that therapies and counseling is a two-way process. It cannot happen that only the counselor is feeling that you should get rid of your problems and you will get rid of your problems. It has to be a willingness from you as well, that I want to get rid of my problems. I take the responsibility, even if my head becomes little bit heavy, even if I go through ups and downs of overwhelm of emotions, I will go through it. Ultimately, there is a light at the end of the tunnel, and that's how in within few sessions itself, therapy can help you come out of the trauma, come out of the pain that you're going through. And if you don't go for therapy, chances are counseling will take some more sessions. In therapy, you require less sessions to come out of the same kind of pain and confront the unhealthy thought pattern in your mind. You have been practicing this unhealthy thought pattern since so long, you might not even remember. That is the age of that pattern. So physiotherapy, psychotherapy, compare it with body and mind, and you will understand how important it is. First of all, acceptance is required. Therapy gives you acceptance with whatever has happened in your life. It gives you a method to practice healthy coping techniques. It takes a lot of effort to come out of self-defeating pattern. It is a responsibility of counselor to give them a safe space and unconditional regard to relearn new healthy patterns. It's difficult to learn new healthy patterns, and it's a responsibility of counselor to make sure the client learns new healthy patterns. And that's what we do. We produce counselors from our Parivartan Academy of Transforming Lives, who are excelled in listening to the client and changing their behavioral pattern, their thought pattern, and giving them results based on what is the information they share with us. We actually feel very happy when our counselors are able to solve cases successfully and they share their success stories with us. Like right now, I am so happy because one of our counselor has started mental health awareness campaign in her own town. Through radios and television shows, and that is making me so much happy. That's how you're seeing this radiating smile on my face. I can't tell you, my mission and vision is to spread mental health awareness throughout India, and I need your support. If you are emotionally sensitive, if you can gauge your own feelings, you can understand that I feel hurt when certain things happen to me. When somebody criticizes, I get hurt. And then you feel that I want some foolproof system so that I never get hurt, no matter what the world does to me, or talks to me, or even ignores me, neglects me. I just want to get out of all these things forever and ever. Then, my dear friend, you are welcome to our academy. Come here, learn with us. We all really enjoy a lot when we study together. And the moment you come, we give you one counselor who will be dedicatedly handholding you till the end of the course. And then once you start taking counseling of other clients, we also give you a lifetime support to help you take the cases of the clients. So it's a very much fair deal where you get to learn under us. We also help you, give you internship under our academy. Since there are so many people approaching us for counseling, we are looking forward to increasing our team, and I'm looking forward to have you in my team as well. I would love to have you all. Whatever questions you have, you can put down below in the comments, or there are many links down there. If you can just see into the description, you will see Facebook link, Instagram link, LinkedIn link. Also, you will see WhatsApp number is there. You will see a Calendly link. You want to talk to me directly, book a Calendly call, and we can get on one-on-one call and talk to each other. I'll help you explain how the program goes and how you can have your own earning, your own family stability by while taking care of children, while taking care of elders at home. And if you're a man who also is very sensitive and wants to be a counselor, well, you can have a secondary income to your current profession. That's all I can say. And the fulfillment, oh my god, the fulfillment is unparalleled when you see people coming to you crying and going back giggling, smiling, lots of confidence, that dressing style changes, the happiness that you get is unparalleled. So this is how I can explain you what is the outcome of learning counseling. And same is the outcome of taking counseling and therapies on you. So do not budge from taking therapies and healing from your childhood traumas, your past traumas, getting out of confusion, getting out of chaos in head, come out of it and help the world out there. Help yourself first, help your family. Go out, achieve your dreams, achieve your goals, live a fulfilled life. That is all we want for you guys. It was great talking to you. Thank you for watching my video. I am Vidya Ragotra, mother of two little girls, wife to an army officer, a software engineer, turned NLP master practitioner, counselor, therapist, and a life coach, turned entrepreneur, founder of Parivartan Transforming Lives, now working as a chief relationship coach, helping individuals to become certified counselors and mindset coaches, helping India to increase its mental health awareness. I also help individuals to come out of depression, anxiety, hurt, sadness, guilt, anger, whatever the emotions that are unpleasant, and embark the journey upon love, joy, peace, harmony, freedom, independence, fulfillment all together. See you live or see you on one-on-one calls when you book a call with me. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Have a nice day.